Sri Vaiko need to review the recent guidelines issued by RBI on repayment terms of jewel loans to mitigate the significant impact on the vulnerable sections of society.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, it has become essential for people to take jewel loans from banks and cooperative banks and non-banking financial companies for their emergency cash needs. The poor people, farmers, small businessmen in micro, small, medium units depend heavily on jewel loans for their immediate needs. If you pledge your jewel with pawnbroker or commission agent, you have to pay higher interest. Due to this, many people get jewel loans from banks as the interest is reasonable and risk is not involved. However, because of the new guidelines issued by the RBI, with stringent guidelines for remortgage by jewel borrowers, the borrowers are deeply worried. The present norm is at the end of tenure of the jewel loan period, the borrower can pay the interest only and remortgage of jewels for further period without paying the principal amount. The new notification issued by RBI says the jewels pledged in the bank can be returned after full payment, both principal and interest. At the same time, the same jewels can be remortgaged only the next day and cannot be pledged on the same day. So the poor people, farmers, have to turn over the entire amount, which is putting lot of financial strain and mental strain on the borrowers. The option to re-pledge the jewels for loan by paying interest only was more beneficial to the poor people. For example, a person who has taken a loan of rupees 2 lakh can pay back the interest only and he can re-pledge the jewel for another tenure in the earlier system. Now the compliance of these conditions would create a situation of informal credit or borrowing from private individuals, pawnbrokers and commission agents at higher rate of interest at the exploitation of farmers and other borrowers. I am given to understand that RBI wanted a more transparent and fair lending environment, and that is why issued this guideline. But it is like throwing the baby with bathwater. I would therefore urge upon the Honorable Finance Minister to intervene in the matter and ensure that new guidelines for jewel loans are withdrawn and the old norms are followed. Thank you very much.
Thank you.